gourmet cookies. Get a grown-up to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Next up, gather ingredients. First thing, 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, cake mix, bowl, whisk, and decorations. Get your pan, put the paper on the pan. Let's begin.
So right now, Makeda is opening the cake mix so she can add it to the bowl. Secondly, she's going to add the oil and the eggs one at a time. And then she's going to use the whisk to combine everything together. But first, she's going to make sure there's no lumps in the cake mix. So now that we have the egg and the oil in the bowl, now she is making sure that everything is incorporated well. So your mixture should look somewhat like that. Now all you're going to do is spoon these, a tablespoon each, on the cookie sheet and then put in the oven for 7 minutes. No more, no less. Here we are, the finished product.
And now it's time to decorate. So get a bowl with 2 cups of powdered sugar and add just a few tablespoons of water and mix it up with your fork. It'll be a little lumpy, but don't worry about it. Just keep stirring and it'll get really smooth and creamy. Before you put the marshmallow on top of your cookie, make sure you put a little dollop of icing. It'll work like glue. And then set the marshmallow on top of it so that it won't move around after you try to decorate it. Just drizzle the icing on top of the marshmallow. Even though it'll be all squiggly, it'll totally smooth out. Then you're going to take your candies, and that's what you're going to use to make the hat and the scarf and his face and the buttons. Just squish the candy in your fingers until it's soft and then form whatever shapes you need. Let the icing on your cookie dry a little bit and then you can put it into the decorative bag and put a tag on it.
Let me show you how it looks like in the inside. That felt good.